2 days to go, Bangladesh is all set to elect its new government after the fallout and ouster of Sheikh Hasina. Pre-poll surveys in Bangladesh are sending mixed signals just days ahead of the 13th national parliamentary elections. Three major surveys released over the past 2 days paint sharply different pictures of electoral battles, particularly between the BNP-led alliance and the Jamaat-e-Islami bloc. The Eminence Associates for Several Social Development Survey, or EASD, predicts a clear BNP landslide. The data collected from over 41,000 respondents suggests that the BNP-led alliance could win around 208 seats, while the Jamaat-Islami bloc may secure just 46. Support for BNP was especially high among female voters and in Chittagong and Sylhet regions. By contrast, the International Institute of Law and Diplomacy shows a much tighter race. Their survey finds the Jamaat-led alliance winning 105 seats and BNP 101, with both parties nearly tied in a vote share. IILD also reported strong support for the July Charter referendum, with nearly 90% of respondents backing a yes vote. Meanwhile, the Nationalist Research Cell projects yet another scenario: a BNP sweep with 77% of the vote and 220 parliamentary seats. Their small-scale survey of 300 participants shows significant uncertainty on reforms, with almost half of respondents undecided. Well, just 2 days ahead of the high-stake polls, surveys are sending mixed signals. Two surveys showing BNP sweep, while one survey reflects a tight race between BNP and Jamaat-Islami bloc. Who will win Bangladesh? Only time can tell. A Nationalist Research Cell project is painting another scenario with a BNP sweep, 77% of the votes and 220 parliament seats for BNP expected. Their small-scale survey of 300 participants shows significant uncertainty on reforms, with almost half of respondents undecided. Who will now decide and take lead of Bangladesh? Only time will tell. Bangladesh has been reeling under violent protests and shake-up in the government after the ouster of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Since then, interim government led by Muhammad Yunus has taken control of the country, and after much deliberations and delaying, the elections are finally happening on February 12th, a deciding day for Bangladesh. BNP, Islamic Jamaat-Islami bloc are emerging as frontrunners for the Bangladesh, although some surveys show a tight race between the two blocs. Some shows a clean edge to BNP. Well, the Eminence Associate for Several Social Development Survey predicted a clean sweep for the BNP, a landslide victory. The data in that survey collected 41,000 responses, suggesting that BNP-led alliance could win around 208 seats, while a setback for the Jamaat-Islami bloc that it may secure only 46 votes. Support for BNP was especially high among female voters and the Chittagong regions of Bangladesh. One survey shows a tight race between the two blocs. One survey finds Jamaat-Islami bloc winning 105 seats, BNP just 4 seats less at 101 seats. Both parties nearly tied in a vote share, according to one survey. A tight race to take charge of Bangladesh. Who will win? A deciding day on February 12th for the country.